Hi, this is Sanagul, and we are all celebrating the grand unveiling of an icon by Head and Shoulders. Let's go inside and see what's happening. Hi.
Hello.
Do you know what's going on over here?
Yes, we are here at the Swan launch event.
Oh, great. You know what's going on. Do you use Head and Shoulders?
Yes, I'm a loyal user.
Do you know that 50% of men and women in Pakistan suffer from dandruff? What do you have to say about it?
And I think they should be using Head and Shoulders.
Great answer. Thanks for coming. Hi, thanks a lot for coming. Do you have any idea what's going on over here?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, this is a very exciting launch for HNS right now over here. So we're all very excited about it. Big initiative here. It's, I think, the biggest so far in Pakistan. Yeah, you can see the people around me already. So all the hype, definitely looking forward to it.
Beauty brings confidence. What is confidence for you?
Myself.
Great. Any hair products, anything you do for your beauty?
Definitely, lots actually. I mean, like I said, too many for my own good. And yeah, I mean, it's like mousses, gels, I don't know, anything that keeps my hair sticking out right there.
Okay, do you know that 50% of men and women in Pakistan suffer from dandruff? What do you have to say about it? What is Head and Shoulder doing to help people like that?
You know, it's surprising you actually mentioned. It's only recently I found out as well that it's surprising. I mean, people don't even know they do have this problem. It's just that it's suppressed because of some of the products they use, or they just don't even realize it. And it's surprising. I mean, people need to know, man. Seriously, this is like, you have no idea what they're into otherwise.
Thanks a lot for coming. I hope you enjoy the event. Do you know what's going on over here?
Not really. I just know it's a show by Head and Shoulders. That's about it.
So have you ever attended any kind of event like this before?
Not by Head and Shoulders. I mean, I have attended quite a few events, but Head and Shoulder ka koi bhi nahi abhi tak.
So do you like Head and Shoulders? Do you use it?
I use Head and Shoulder for the past like quite a few years.
Okay, so what do you think is the USP of Head and Shoulders?
I guess no dandruff and call it you to come close, you know, stuff like that.
Okay, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoy. What exactly are you doing here? Do you have any idea what's going on?
No, we are excited. It's HNS. So, but I don't know. But I'm expecting something really cool out of it.
What do you think is happening? What kind of expectations do you have of the event?
Something very slick, something very high-end, because I think Head and Shoulder has been part of the whole fashion scene. So, of course, they are giving confidence to everyone. Then we'll be expecting a lot of confidence coming out of the show as well.
Okay, speaking of confidence, what do you think is confidence?
Well, I think confidence is the way you carry yourself. No matter who you are, which color, caste, creed, but it's how you carry yourself. So for me, of course, it's just be yourself. And that's confidence for us.
And I think nice, good, silky, straight hair helps build up your confidence.
I think that's part of the whole pack and parcel of it.
Definitely. Thanks a lot for coming. Hope you enjoy. Do you have any idea what's going on?
Yeah, because I'm the one who's doing the actually makeup for the show. So my people and my team is working at the back, at the back of the stage. So I know each and everything and about the segments, about the dance, about the show, about everything.
Okay, Huma, you're associated with the industry. So I would like to know, what do you think is beauty?
Beauty actually is lie under your skin. It's your inner thing, If you are healthy, and if you are aware of everything which is happening around you and you are doing something about it, this is called beauty.
Speaking of Head and Shoulder, what do you think about it, and what do you think of it as a product? Have you tried it? Do you use it?
Yeah, actually Head and Shoulder is a very, obviously a big name, it's a big brand. I myself never tried it though. But still, I heard my lots of male friends, they usually like exactly what men, If you ask them, they are using Head and Shoulder a lot for their dryness, for their dandruff, and for their shine, and for everything. Me, I don't use it.
What do you feel about being a woman?
I feel good that I'm a woman. I don't understand your question actually at the end of the day.
Do you know what's going on over here?
Absolutely no idea.
The Head and Shoulders launch, the new product.
Okay, she has some idea. Okay.
Shoulders, not much else though.
Do you use Head and Shoulders?
Yeah, actually, regularly.
What is the USP? What do you like best about it?
The dandruff control.
And you?
It makes your hair feel really soft.
Okay, great. So what are you expecting of this evening? Have you ever been to any such event before?
well, from what I've heard, it's supposed to be relaunched, and it's being relaunched as a cooler, more fun version of the shampoo itself. Like before, it was purely a clinical medical shampoo being targeted to the dandruff control market, and now it's supposed to be relaunched as a cool sort of a more I don't know, just a cooler shampoo in general, I guess.
An everyday shampoo.
Everyday shampoo, yeah.
You know, I'm so glad to know that there's a girl speaking about Head and Shoulder, because each time I've been asking questions from people, it's always guys saying something or the other about it. But that's what I was telling my other guests, that a lot of girls use it as well, and it does wonders to hair. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, absolutely. It's great for your hair. It makes you feel good. It smells good. That's a great factor.
Hope you enjoy the evening. Thanks a lot.
Thanks very much.
Do you know what's going on over here?
H&S Swan launch event.
Do you use Head and Shoulders?
Whenever I need to, yeah.
What is confidence for you?
Confidence would be being happy and comfortable with yourself. And yeah.
We all have bad hair day. I'm sure you do as well. What do you do about it? What's your beauty secret? I know you don't want to reveal, but just give us a few tips.
Honestly speaking, I don't have too many issues with my hair. I never need to blow dry them or anything even. But yeah.
Okay, you look lovely. Thanks for coming. Here, what are your expectations of the event?
The event looks promising, really, and I hope that it turns out remarkable, because the setup is utterly brilliant. So I hope that something which is unveiled and unraveled till now will be promising.
What do you do for your hair to maintain it, to make it look so nice?
Yeah, I really have to do a lot, but I think I still don't manage to get what I really want. I hopefully Head and Shoulder ka jo naya promising product aane wala hai, it will do a lot and will help a lot.
Thanks a lot for coming. Hope you enjoy the evening. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. So, do you know what's going on over here?
Yeah, it's a launch of Head and Shoulders new product. Guess.
Yeah, it's a big secret. You'll know soon what else we are going to reveal.
I was just guessing that, yeah.
Okay, and what do you do to keep yourself or to maintain yourself, and what's your beauty secret?
My beauty secret, that's a good one. Actually, there are no secrets. I think the best thing should be that you should be happy and should not take stress, because if you take stress, it affects everything, like your skin, your hair, everything. And you need to wash your hair properly, take good care of your hair, because hair is one beauty thing. If you don't have good hair, you not exactly would be, called a beautiful person. So hair is one important thing.
I agree totally. Another question I want to ask you. Have you ever used Head and Shoulder? Are you using any other shampoo, or do you stick to Head and Shoulder?
I use Head and Shoulders off and on, but I think when it comes to dandruff, nothing beats Head and Shoulders, because you associate dandruff control with Head and Shoulders totally. So I think when it comes to dandruff control, and they have this black thing with dandruff control, so I think it's pretty good.
I hope you enjoy the evening. Thanks a lot for coming. Bye. मेरे साथ नाजिया मलिक हैं. आइए इनसे कुछ बातें करते हैं. अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजिया.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm doing well. Did you like the event?
Yeah, it's beautiful, and I love the whole environment actually. It's all blue and so refreshing.
आप Head and Shoulder इस्तेमाल करती हैं?
Yes, definitely I do. Especially I really like that pink one. Sometimes I use the green one, the mint one. And I must say कि जितना अच्छा Head and Shoulder का रिजल्ट है, I must say for the dandruff and all, किसी और शैम्पू का नहीं है. और स्पेशली बालों की सफाई के लिए, स्टेइंग इन लाइक लिविंग इन कराची, यहाँ पर डस्ट बहुत है, उसके लिए अगर आपके बालों में डैंड्रफ नहीं भी है, इचिंग शुरू हो जाती है, और इचिंग जो है वो बेस्ट वे Head and Shoulders है जो उस चीज़ को ख़त्म करता है. नॉट ओनली डैंड्रफ बट अदर थिंग्स एज वेल ना.
Thank you so much, Nadia. Please have dinner, and I hope you enjoy the evening.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Hi. So, did you watch the event fully?
Yeah, I watched.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it.
What do you think of the new shape? What do you think of the new bottle?
मेरे ख्याल है अच्छी shape है. It's in good shape.
आप Head and Shoulder इस्तेमाल करते हैं?
जी मैं करता हूँ जी.
कितने अरसे से करें, and what do you think about Head and Shoulders?
मैं तकरीबन 2 साल से इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, और उससे मेरे काफ़ी बाल आपने देखे होंगे, काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ा है बालों पे. और
ये मुझे नहीं पता, इनको बताओ ना.
काफ़ी पहले से बेहतर हुए.
All right, pleasure talking to you. Hi.
Hi.
How do you feel about being here?
I've just entered actually, and I mean the decoration and everything is really nice. But I'm really excited about going and seeing what's happening inside. I want to see Juni's fashion show and see what it's like.
Okay, thanks a lot for coming. Another question: what is beauty for you?
Beauty is for me. It's basically good grooming. You have to be well groomed. You have to look beautiful and beautiful hair.
Oh, definitely. You have a lot more to see inside. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for coming. We have a wonderful looking lady over here. I would like to have a few words with her. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Did you like the event itself?
It was a beautiful event, very well done and very short relatively regarding when you consider all the other events which take hours and hours, and beautiful fireworks and lovely dinner as well.
Thank you. अच्छा, आपको नई बॉटल कैसी लगी?
बहुत खूबसूरत बॉटल है, शेप बहुत अच्छी है और आपने तो यहाँ पर इतनी बड़ी बॉटल दिखाई है कि सब बहुत इम्प्रेस हो गए उससे।
आप समझिए बाजार में भी यही साइज मिलेगा। मेरे साथ दो खवातीन मौजूद हैं, आइए उनसे इस इवेंट के हवाले से बात करते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Did you enjoy the event?
Yes, very much. We were part of it.
आपने ये नई बॉटल देखी, आपको नए शेप के हवाले से आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छी बॉटल है और वैसे हेड एंड शोल्डर्स ऐसे भी बहुत अच्छा शैम्पू है and I'm sure it's going to be more successful.
आप हेड एंड शोल्डर इस्तेमाल करती हैं?
नहीं, अल्लाह का शुक्र है ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी अभी तक। लेकिन
अगर ज़रूरत पड़े,
अगर पड़ी तो definitely I know there is something which can get rid of the dandruff.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening. Khuda Hafiz. Did you like the event? What do you have to say about it?
ये एक बहुत खूबसूरत तकरीब है और मैं तो हेड एंड शोल्डर का आज से नहीं, मेरा ख्याल है कोई 10-12 साल से मैं इसका वो हूँ, मैं तो इस्तेमाल करता रहा हूँ और मेरा ख्याल है कि मुझे आज तक कोई और ऐसा शैम्पू जो है वो पसंद नहीं आया या मुझे सूट नहीं किया कि जिससे मेरे बालों को जो है ना वो उसमें बेहतरी आती है। और मेरे थोड़ा सा खुश्की का सिलसिला है, डेंटर, तो मेरा ख्याल है कि हेड एंड शोल्डर इज़ द बेस्ट। और मुझे खुशी है कि आज एक बहुत अच्छी तकरीब हुई है और इस किस्म की तकरीबात होनी चाहिए ताकि लोगों को थोड़ी सी अवेयरनेस हो इसमें। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. What do you think about the new shape of Head and Shoulder, the bottle?
Very fine, fantastic.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'm standing next to Adnan Ahmed Khan. He is Assistant Brand Manager, Head and Shoulders. Let's have a few words with him. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Did you enjoy the event?
Of course I did. Did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah, it's lovely. Did you have dinner yet?
No, not yet. We'll just sit down. The whole team will have dinner together.
Okay, a few words about the shape of the bottle and attributes attached to it. Why did you think of bringing about this change?
Okay, the whole bottle change, it signifies both beauty and efficacy. The curve signifies beauty and the straight line signifies efficacy. Now this time around, not just you have efficacy, but also 100% confidence to get close to others. It's not just the dandruff that goes away from your hair, but also you have the confidence, your hair shines out, you have the chance to shine in the spotlight and be confident. No inhibition, no hesitation, 100% confidence.
Okay, somebody just mentioned itching. I was wondering, does it get rid of itching as well as dandruff, or does it only help dandruff?
It helps itching and also dandruff. Itching is because there is something wrong with your scalp. Now Head and Shoulders gets into your scalp and makes the formulas that give you a very healthy scalp. When you have a healthy scalp, it automatically reduces dandruff and you have no dandruff. So it's related to the scalp. And then
what's beauty for you?
Beauty,
you're going to say beautiful hair.
Of course I will, of course. That was a very straight answer. Beauty, this is beauty.
Oh, Head and Shoulder itself. Please highlight. Thank you so much, Adnan. That was Adnan. Let's have a few words with someone else around. Usman Munir Saab, Assistant Brand Manager of Head and Shoulder, is standing next to me. I would like to have a few words with him. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
What do you have to say about the event itself? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it?
Of course I liked it. It's my event. I just like to say a couple of words about Head and Shoulders and about this brand research that we are doing. Head and Shoulders has been in Pakistan for the past 16 years and we have been committed to giving the best anti-dandruff protection there is. And that's why we are the world's #1 anti-dandruff shampoo and the world's #1 shampoo as well.